It's probably 2 AM the night before the competition, and you have to create an autonomous. Well, don't worry, because in the next 20 minutes of your life, I'm going to teach you how to create complex movements simply for the first tech challenge. So, the tool we're going to use for this series is called CyanFTC, or Cyan, I don't know, and it's a motion planning library. So, how do you get started? How do you download this library? How do you use this library on your control hub? Well, it's actually pretty simple. There are two ways. One is to download a copy of SDK with Cyan already installed on it, which you can find in this GitHub repository. And the other is by adding Cyan on your existing SDK. So, let's see how to do this. First, you're going to navigate to this GitHub repository and copy this text. Then, go to your Gradle scripts and find build dependencies.gradle. Then, paste it into the repositories. Go back to the GitHub repository and copy the other string and paste that into the dependencies code block. Then sync the changes and you're basically done. Ignore any warning messages about Android Gradle plugin, it's going to break your SDK. This was a brief installation guide, thank you for your attention and καλή συνέχεια.